Okay, all of you, welcome back to the micro course. So today we start here with some MCQs about a micro solid state devices. I have typed a question that is about question one, that is a tunnel diode is a lightly doped PN junction, B heavily doped PN junction, moderately doped PN junction, and D none of this. So you can type your answer in a chat. If you have an answer, we'll proceed. Otherwise, I'll write my answer. Okay, Mansi says B, right? It is correct answer. That answer is about the B. It is about the correct answer there. Okay, so next question we'll proceed here. In the tunnel diode, tunneling phenomena is due to majority carrier, B minority carrier, C transit time effect, and D both majority and minority carrier. Okay, now the question is here in the tunnel diode, the tunneling phenomena is due to A majority carrier, B minority carrier, C transit time effect, D both majority and a minority carrier. Please type your answer for this question. What is the answer for this tunneling diode phenomena? Tunnel diode in the tunnel diode. The tunneling phenomena is due to what? Please type your answer. Bhushan Kali is a transit time effect. Okay. Yes, any other have the answer for this? No one is saying the answer. That's about due to the majority carrier. Majority carrier means what? That they are uh, field one. Okay. So what happened from the field state to the empty state to the filled state here? Okay. So they fill there. So that's why the majority carrier in the one side there, and then your current will be higher maximum, and then it start decreases. So that is about your tunneling action. Okay. So next is about next question. The negative resistance in a tunnel diode. Okay. Negative resistance in a tunnel diode is maximum at the peak point of the characteristic. Okay. The negative resistance in a tunnel diode is maximum at the peak point of the characteristics is available between peak and valley point. Is maximum at valley point, and D none of this. Please type your answer for this question. That is Riya says it's the B, right? It is available between the peak and a valley point. But that negative resistance in it and that it will be maximum at the peak point of the characteristics there. Because if you see that, okay, we have the, it will be increases. So this will be maximum and then it will start decrease. So okay, negative resistance is available here in this region, right? That is about the B is correct, but it will be again the maximum at this peak point. Okay, so we can consider that as a maximum at the peak point of the characteristics, or it will be available between the peak and a valley point. Okay, so we can have the two answer for this question. Okay, so next we can say that another question is there. So which of the following exhibits transferred electron effect for generation of microwaves? A, we have a silicon, and B, that is about a metal semiconductor junction, and C, we have a germanium, and D, a gallium arsenide. Okay, so now which one? So transferred electron effect. Okay, that is about a transferred electron effect. In which case occur? Whether it is on a silicon or a metal semiconductor junction, or okay, someone says it is about no one is have the answer. Then germanium or a gallium arsenide. So that a transferred electron effect occurs only when we use the compound of a gallium arsenide. Because if you see that a silicon and a germanium, that it doesn't have that energy band there. Okay, that energy band. That's why this occurs only when we have the gallium arsenide there. So that's why the answer is for this. That is about gallium arsenide. Next question we have. Okay, another question we see a diode with no junction, that is widely used with a cavity resonator to form a microwave oscillator is the number A impact diode, then we have a trapper diode, then a tunnel diode, and then a gun diode. Type your answer for this. A diode with a no junction, that is widely used with a cavity resonator to form a microwave oscillator. So now all, if you consider here, the impact diode is again act as oscillator. Okay, because avalanche multiplication takes place here. Trapper diode trap plasma. Again, this one is the oscillator. Tunnel diode. Okay, again it will be act as a switch or oscillator there. So now if we consider that gun diode, again it will be oscillator. Now if we consider here all these diode here, all can be work as oscillator. Okay, they have the applications as a oscillator there. Tunnel diode only except it will be used as a switch. Okay, in the most of the applications there. But if you consider the gun diode and these diodes, okay, all these are the oscillator. But now here a diode with a no junction. Only the same material is used, but we can say that it has a impurity of a different types of a different n type material. or a different p-type material. Okay, so now the diode has a no junction means what? It doesn't have a junction of a p anion. It has a junction. Okay, it doesn't have a junction means like p-type material and n-type material means it has a junction, but it doesn't have a junction. So that's why that diode with a no junction is nothing but the gun diode here. Okay, that is for the answer for your question. Some CQs here. Next, for a gun diode, we say a gallium arsenide is preferred to silicon because former A has a suitable empty energy band which silicon does not have. B has a higher ion mobility. Then AC has lower noise at the highest frequency, and D is capable of handling higher power. Now, what is the answer for this? All of you type your answer. Okay, someone says B, someone says A. Okay, we doesn't require this higher ion mobility. Okay, someone says A, right? And yes, has a suitable empty energy band. Actually, this gun diode will work on the principle of what? A energy band there. Okay, so this one is we say empty energy band. But if you consider the silicon and a germanium, so it doesn't have a empty energy band. So that's why the gallium arsenide, if you see that they have the empty energy band, so that's why this gun diode will work. Okay, used. They have the empty energy band there. So this why that's why the gallium arsenide material is used in a gun diode there. So that's why the A answer is correct. Okay, this one is A is correct. Higher ion mobility. Okay, that is about a different part because okay, mobility of electron is there. Okay, so that is not the solution. Okay, but requirement is here about the energy band in a gun diode. So that's why answer A is correct. Then next, one of the following mode of operation is not of gun diode. Okay, modes of operation is not of a gun diode. That is about we say it is about a transit time mode. B LSA mode. Then C the mode. Then D depletion mode. Now write the answer for this. One of the following modes of operation is not of a gun diode. So now if you consider the gun diode, That answer is about D. Correct? Right answer? This one is about a correct answer. That's about a depletion mode. Because gun diode modes, it has a transit time mode, LSA mode, quench mode. These are about the modes of a gun diode. So now which mode is not there? Means depletion mode will not be present in a gun diode. So that's why answer D. Okay, thank you, Ria. Okay, that answer D is correct. Okay. Next about question. Impact diode is disadvantageous because of a high noise, too many layers, low efficiency, difficulty in growing intrinsic layer. Okay, now what is answer for this? Impact diode. Okay, that impact diode. So that is about the impact ionization takes place in the diode. Impact ionization of transit time effect. Okay, impact. Okay, so that's why we see that here we have uh, avalanche takes place impact ionization. Okay, avalanche transit time diode. So it has in high noise. Okay, it's true. It has a high noise. Too many layers. But layers, if you see that, we say that a junction is there, specific junction for this. So will not accept for this particular too many layers there. Right? It is the answer is correct. A. Okay, someone says answer correct. A. That is about high noise. So low efficiency. If you are comparing with the another diode, then we say that's about a low efficiency there. So this option again no use. Difficulty in growing the intrinsic layer. Right? Okay, but it is depending upon the bias. That intrinsic layer. Okay, everything. Okay, that your diode works and all. That is about the bias. So then that's why there is no role of this growing intrinsic layer. Okay, so now just answer it about the high noise. Okay. Next again, we see that the most powerful solid state micro device is a gun diode, bad diode. I think this doesn't have. Okay, MySpace you doesn't have. So okay, this one is you doesn't you have not seen this MySpace and all. So this doesn't have this. So but if you compare this gun diode, okay, so if you compare this one, so gun diode, okay, so they have the junction, okay, they have the materials and we'll get that output as an oscillator there. But if you consider this impact diode, so it will work for the higher frequency range. Okay, so and output is about as compared to the gun diode, the output is about the low power, high power output will get. So that's why most powerful device, if you consider there, this one is about a impact diode, right? It is correct. Okay, so someone say B, Mansi says B. Yes, it is correct. That is about the impact diode is about a answer for this. Most powerful solid state device is nothing but the impact diode. Then we'll compare that trapper diode and a impact diode. The biggest advantage of the trapped diode over the impaired diode is okay. So impaired diode it has a low noise, right? But we need to compare about the trapped diode. Then higher efficiency, then ability to operate at higher frequency, then D, lesser sensitive to harmony. Okay, now the answer for this. Okay, now correct. Mansi says B, right? It is about the higher efficiency. If you compare that a trapped diode and impaired diode, so low noise. Okay, that is about the impact diode. But advantages of this trapped diode, so all the diodes, trapped diode, impaired diode, buried diode, they work at a okay as a oscillator and they work at a high frequency. So again, if you consider that I see both are the working at a higher frequency, right? So there is no reason about the sensitivity we have to talk. Okay, it is used as a operate that we can say oscillator there. So it will be a stable one. So there is no role of this harmonics. There is no role of this frequency. Okay, impaired is low noise. That's why higher efficiency. That's the answer for your question. Okay. Now next, the Barrett diode has no drift region, short drift region, long drift region, none of the above. Now what is the answer for this? If you consider the Barrett diode, so it has a drift region. Okay, so now you might have seen that a diode profiles and all. So that's why we say that is about a profile for this particular diode, right? Riya say, okay, correct. It has a long drift region. Okay, all this work and they have the profile for this one likewise. Okay, something profile diagram we have for this Barrett diode and all. So that's why we can say it is about a long drift region. Then next about a varactor diode may not be useful at microwave frequency. That's A for electronic tuning, for frequency multiplication, as an oscillator, as a parametric amplifier. Okay, so now the answer for this that is about an oscillator, right? It's correct. Okay, says okay, right? People have most of them they have said that it is about an oscillator. Okay, it has a variable capacitance, so that's why it can be used as a tuning. Similarly, for the frequency multiplication, similarly as a parametric amplifier. But this cannot be used as an oscillator. Okay, so that's why that answer is about a C is about a correct answer. It cannot be used as an oscillator there. So now these are about a MCQs for this solid state devices. So we see again a few MCQs on a solid state devices now. How another one thing. Okay, so we can consider that that parametric amplifier already we have seen, so no need to discuss about the parametric amplifier. Okay, now wait a minute. So we'll consider here. Okay, so now received a call. Okay, so next about we just go ahead with some questions with the diodes and all. Okay, so now next about a pin diode, we'll go ahead with the pin diode and all. I think we have seen that a pin diode earlier. You might have for this question. Pin diode is phase shifter, sorry, phase shifter, oscillator, rectifier, amplifier. All of you, all of you write your answer whether that pin diode is a amplifier or rectifier or all. What will be the pin diode there? All of you type your answer there. Okay, so now you can type your answer whether this pin diode is a phase shifter. Tushar says see now that answer for this. Okay, pin diode. Okay, generally diode is not a PN diode, it is about PI and diode. That can be used as a, if you see that we can use this pin diode as a pin modulator. Okay, diode is used as a modulator there. So the same thing, it has a options for what? Because it is used before the oscillator. So this not without rectifier, general amplifier, general diode will act as rectifier there, and it will not be amplifier. So answer for this, it is about a phase shifter there. Okay, pin diode can be used as a phase shifter there. Now next, Barry diode has P plus N P plus structure, PNP structure, then sorry, NPN structure, then P plus N plus P plus. Okay, now this is about a Barry diode. So now a Barry diode, but what will be the structure in a Barry diode there? So it has a P plus N P plus structure. Okay, so that is about your Barry diode, right? So generally, what is the structures for the Barry diodes and all? So we can directly write. Okay, so that is about a Barry diode. The next question, that is about a trapper diode is high efficiency oscillator, B low efficiency oscillator, a switch, and D, a rectifier. Okay, now you tell me the answer for this. Whether whatever it is a trapper diode will be act as a, okay. No, it is not a rectifier there. Then the diode, so don't be say that hey, whichever the diode will be act as a rectifier. So answer is about oscillator only. So switch. Okay, this diode will not be act as a switch. Pin diode can be act as a switch. So this will not be answer. So now these are the answers. It will be act as an oscillator. Now whether it is high efficiency oscillator or low efficiency, right? That answer is about a correct. That is about the it has a high efficiency oscillator. Okay, next. Sorry. Trap is used as local oscillator, radars, amplifiers in radar, switch in communication, transistor, and B, low frequency oscillator. Okay, now that is about a trapper diode. Now trapper diode will be used as what? A local oscillator in radar, amplifier in radar, or a switch in communication transistor, or you can say that is about a low frequency oscillator. What is the answer for this? Okay, A, right? It is correct. A, it is can be used as a local oscillator. That is about already I told you it is used as a oscillator there. Local oscillator. The trapper diode, no amplification takes place. This is wrong one. It doesn't use as a switch. It have a low frequency oscillator. So okay, high frequency, but it is used as a local oscillator in a radar there. Then impaired diode is a narrow band device, a wide band device, a noiseless device. Low frequency device. Now tell me that impaired diode is what? Impaired diode is a narrowband device, wideband device, noiseless device, and low frequency device. So answer for this, impaired diode is a narrowband device, wideband device, noiseless device, or a low frequency device. What is the answer for this question? Okay, so impaired diode. Yes, please. Okay, A, narrowband. Okay, no, just say that narrowband because it will work in a wide band of a frequency there. That's why it will be used as a wideband device. Okay, the answer for this impaired diode is operating at a high frequency. Okay, so it will operate at a wideband one. So that's why wideband device. Okay, noise less. Already it is has a noise. So no, it's not a low frequency. It will work at a high frequency there. So that's why these three options are wrong. Only another one option, that is about it is impact diode is a wideband device. Then another question, LSA mode, or you can say that LSA diode means that is in a TED mode. Okay, so I think I have just given the answer. Okay, so no need to write the question. Okay, so just like a LSA diode is used, is an example of TED, PN diode or PNP diode. Or okay, so likewise the answer. So LSA diode it is about a gun diode. Okay, mode, or you can say that is about a mode of a TED mode. Okay, TED is a TED mode. Then TED is used as a switch, sorry, oscillator. Stop use a word local oscillator, we'll say that is about a oscillator, a clipper, or a rectifier. So that is about a transfer electron device. Okay, transfer electron device that can be used as what? For what purpose? Okay, so that is about answer for this transfer electron device. Can be used for what purpose? Whether it will can be used as a switch, whether it can be used as an oscillator, or whether it can be used as clipper or rectifier. So this will not be a rectifier. Even this will not be a rectifier. So you can use transfer electron device, that is nothing but a gun diode and all. Means gun diode will work as an oscillator. So that's why this answer is correct. B. That answer B is correct here. So no, okay, it will not use as a switch there. Okay, that is about it. A TED, transfer electron device. That is about it. TED there. Then we consider that a gun diode is a negative resonance device. Negative resonance device. Okay. Then a B, positive resonance device. C, ionized device. And a D, low frequency device. Now tell the answer for this. That is about a gun diode, whether that gun diode is a negative resistance device, or you can say that is about positive resistance device. Okay, someone has other written the answer, that is about A, right? It has a negative resistance device. Okay, gun diode is a negative. So I think this these questions are over. I think so. We shall started here with this questions and all. I think most of the questions we have seen now today. Okay, so now we shall stop here. So that is about your part of. Okay, few questions will again we'll see. Again, we'll say that we can consider that that is about a TEDs and all. TED, that is about a transfer electron device, is a, whether it is FET, whether it is a gun diode, whether it is a tunnel diode, whether it is a barrier diode. Type your answer for this. TED, transfer electron device. What do you mean by this TED there? Someone says B, right? It is correct answer. TED, transfer electron device. I think we shall stop here for the today's session. Okay, that is for the conduct.